Hey everyone, it's Aubrey with Northbound Physical Therapy and Wellness, and I'm here with some wrist and hand love for you today. We're going to go through a little self-massage and some gentle stretches. Just like anything we do, I want you to do what feels right for you. So if you're experiencing increased discomfort, increased numbness and tingling with any of these tasks, back off, do it lighter, skip it. I want you to do what's right for your body. And if you do have a consistent pain or numbness tingling issue, please seek out some proper medical attention for that from a physical therapist, from your primary care physician. All right, let's get started. So to kick things off, we're going to begin with warming up our hands. Generating a little heat will make our tissues more pliable, kind of warming up the muscles too. As you're doing this, just notice if you're holding any tension in your neck or your jaw or your shoulders. Just try to let that go. Great. Let's start off with a little massage. We're going to start with our thumb here. You can take your index finger and thumb and take that first knuckle of your index finger and do a technique, we call it stripping, where you're just kind of stripping your knuckle right through those thick muscles at the base of your thumb. It should feel like a nice massage, gentle enough that there's no discomfort, but firm enough that it feels kind of good. Good, let's do the other side. Stripping through the muscles at the base of your thumb, these really hard working muscles. Whether you're mousing and typing, especially if you're using your cell phone, other repetitive, laborious tasks. Good. And then let's just do a nice, gentle kind of gripping or pinching massage through your palm and up through each of your fingers. You can see if you notice any areas of tension or tenderness. And my hands have started out cold today, so it's nice to feel them warming up a little bit. So let's go back to that heat generating moment here. We're going to go into a massage for another area at our wrist. So again, your thumb and your index finger, you can just kind of gently squeeze and twist. So what you should feel is a gentle massage right around that wristwatch area. This is where our carpal tunnel is located. This is something, if you do have carpal tunnel syndrome and you're putting a lot of pressure through here, that could increase your numbness and tingling or your pain symptoms. So just keep it nice and light. Oftentimes with carpal tunnel, we can feel the tissues in here are really firm. So some gentle massage through there might feel really good, but just take it easy and see what you notice. All right. Let's turn that massage into some circles now. So open palm or closed fist. Take yourself through some circles one way and then the other. You might notice some pops and cracks. As long as there's no discomfort, that's just your bones. You've got multiple bones in your wrist. Got a few layers in there actually. Switching sides now. Gentle circular massage around your wrist. This one feels better and better as you practice it. You can feel things getting looser and more limber. And onto some circles for this side. One way and then the other. Good. Let's clasp the hands together. Let's just do some of those circles now here that our wrists are all nice and warm. Great. Good. My wrists and hands are feeling really nice and warm now. How about you? Now let's make things a little bit more dynamic. So to start things off, let's just take our palms up, elbows at side, and then we're gonna alternate between palms up and palms down. And you're just gonna flow. I want you to find a nice little rhythmic flow for you. And the reason we're here with the elbows bent is because sometimes our shoulder ends up compensating for our forearm when we're doing motion. So let's just focus on just what the forearms are doing right now. You might find it's difficult to turn your palms all the way up. And so with every repetition, you can just see if you can stretch that palm open like you're holding a bowl. We call this position supination. So students often think about holding a bowl of soup here, okay? It's in my head, so I gotta tell you. All right, now let's take it out with the arms away from the body. If this is painful for you or it's hard to hold your arms up, just take it lower and let's do that same thing. Palms turning down and up. So now we'll let our shoulder get into the mix here, and we can still feel a really nice stretch. I feel a very nice stretch when my palms are turned up back here. Good. And then let's turn it into a little flow with our wrists. This one reminds me of being in the water, treading water. Good. If any of these positions are uncomfortable for you, when you're stretched out, you're feeling numbness and tingling in your hand, like if you're a person who has carpal tunnel syndrome, you can just only extend your hand as much as feels good. Keep it sub-pain, sub-tingling level so that we're not making symptoms worse, but you're still giving your system some blood flow and a nice gentle stretch. Good, and I'm just gonna take it back down, and let's turn this into a little handshake. So as we're coming to our end here, let's just shake out those wrists and hands gently. Feel that energy flow through them. Notice how they feel now. Are you feeling some warmth? Are you feeling blood flow? Did you experience a positive shift in how you're feeling? A little less stiffness, a little less discomfort? Let me know how you feel in the comments. Send me an email. I'd love to hear how this went for you, and I'd love to help you out if you're having any wrist or hand discomfort, or if you want to make your office setup better for reducing wrist and hand pain. Thank you so much, and have a great day.